You know what's weird, Kate?
What?
I use my phone every single day, but if someone asks me, describe your phone in English, I freeze.
Oh my God, yes, same. I know the word phone, but that's it.
Exactly. Like, what color is it? What's it made of? How big is it? My brain just stops.
Right? And it's not just phones, it's everything around us.
Everything. Your cup, your bag, your keys.
We see them every day, but we can't talk about them in English.
And that's a huge problem.
Huge.
So today, we're fixing that.
Yes, welcome everyone. I'm Kate.
And I'm Martin. And if you're listening to this, you probably want to speak English better, right?
Of course, that's why you're here.
Exactly. So, welcome to day 10 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
Day 10. Can you believe it? We're 1/3 done.
I know, time flies. And today is super practical.
Super practical because today we're talking about daily objects.
The things you touch every single day.
Your phone, your wallet, your watch, your bottle.
All the small things.
Yes, and here's the thing, Martin.
Yeah?
Most people learning English, they learn big fancy words.
Oh, for sure, like entrepreneur or philosophy.
Exactly, but then they can't describe a spoon.
A spoon.
I'm serious. I met a student once, very smart guy. He could talk about politics, but he couldn't say, this spoon is metal.
No way.
Yes, he said, this spoon is hard material, shiny.
Oh no.
He didn't know the word metal.
That's actually so common, though.
It is because we don't practice describing simple things.
We don't. We think it's too easy, too boring.
But it's not boring, it's essential.
It really is, because in real life, you talk about these things all the time.
All the time. Like, imagine you're at a friend's house
Okay.
and you want to borrow something, maybe a charger.
Right.
You need to describe it. Do you have a charger, the white one with the long cable?
Exactly. You need those words.
You do. Or imagine you lose something.
Oh, that happens to me constantly.
Me too. And you have to describe it to someone. Have you seen my bag? It's black, it's small, it has a zipper.
Yes, you can't just say bag and hope they find it.
Exactly. So these small, simple words, they're actually super important.
They are, and that's what we're doing today.
Yes, we're going to practice describing objects around us.
In a fun way, though.
Of course, not boring, not like school.
Never boring. We don't do boring here.
No, we don't. And before we start, quick reminder.
Oh, yes, if you're enjoying this podcast,
Hit that subscribe button.
it helps us so much.
It really does. And leave a comment. Tell us one object you use every day.
Yeah, just one thing, your favorite object.
We read all the comments, by the way.
We do. We love reading them.
Okay, so Martin, let's start.
Let's do it.
I'm going to describe something, and you guess what it is.
Okay, I like this game.
Okay, here we go. It's small, it's metal, it's shiny.
Shiny.
You use it every day, usually in the kitchen.
In the kitchen,
You eat with it.
a fork.
Close.
A spoon?
Yes, a spoon.
I got it.
You did. Okay, now you try. Describe something for me.
All right. Okay, it's small, it's made of plastic, sometimes metal.
Okay.
It has numbers on it.
Numbers.
You use it to buy things.
Oh, a credit card.
Exactly, a credit card.
Nice. See, this is fun.
It is. And you know what's interesting, Kate?
What?
When you describe things like this, you automatically use really important words.
Yes, words like small, big, metal, plastic.
Colors, red, blue, black, white.
Shapes, round, square, flat.
Exactly. These are the building blocks.
The building blocks. I love that.
And once you know these words, you can describe anything.
Anything. Your pen, your glasses, your shoes.
Your coffee cup.
Oh, let's do the coffee cup. Describe your coffee cup, Martin.
My coffee cup. Okay, it's white. It's ceramic.
Ceramic. Good word.
Thanks. It's medium-sized, not too big, not too small.
Okay.
It has a handle, and it's smooth, very smooth.
Nice. See? Perfect description.
That was actually easier than I thought.
Right? It's not hard. You just need to practice.
Exactly. And here's the thing.
Yeah?
Most people think, I don't have time to practice.
Oh, I hear that all the time.
Me too, but you don't need extra time.
No, you can practice while you're doing normal things.
Exactly, like when you're making coffee.
Yes,
You can just describe the coffee maker in your head.
the coffee maker is black. It's electric. It's on the counter.
Perfect. Or when you're getting dressed.
Describe your clothes.
My shirt is blue. It's cotton. It has buttons.
Yes, it takes what, 5 seconds?
5 seconds, that's it.
But if you do it every day,
Your brain gets used to it.
it becomes automatic.
Automatic. That's the goal.
It is because speaking English isn't about thinking hard.
No, it's about not thinking at all.
Exactly. It's about the words just coming out.
Naturally.
Yes, naturally. And the only way to get there is practice.
Practice, practice, practice.
But fun practice, not boring practice.
Never boring. Okay, Kate, I have a challenge for you.
Oh no.
It's easy, don't worry.
Okay, what is it?
Describe your phone right now.
My phone. Okay, let me see. It's black. It's rectangular.
Rectangular, nice.
Thanks. It's smooth, very smooth. It's glass on the front,
Okay.
and it has 3 cameras on the back.
3 cameras, fancy.
I know, right? And it's, I don't know, this big, medium size.
Medium size. Good. See? Perfect.
That was fun.
It was, and you used great words. Rectangular, smooth, glass,
I did. And honestly, Martin, I never thought about those words before.
right? They're just there in your brain, but you never use them
Exactly. Until you practice.
until you practice. Okay, now I have a question for our listeners.
Ooh, yes.
Everyone listening right now, look around you. Pick one object
Just one.
and try to describe it out loud in English.
Don't think too much. Just try.
Exactly. And if you can't find the right word, that's okay.
It's totally okay. You can look it up later.
Yes. The important thing is you tried.
You tried, and that's progress.
That's progress. And actually, Kate, I have a story about this.
Ooh, I love stories. Tell me.
Okay, so a few years ago, I was living in Spain.
In Spain. Nice.
Yeah, and my Spanish was okay, not great.
Just okay?
Just okay. And one day, I went to a restaurant.
Uh-oh.
Exactly, uh-oh. So I'm sitting there, and I want to ask for a napkin.
A napkin. Simple.
Simple. But I didn't know the word in Spanish.
Oh no.
So I tried to describe it. I said, "Can I have the white paper for cleaning the mouth?"
No.
Yes. And the waiter looked at me like, "What?"
Poor guy.
I know. But then he understood. He brought me a napkin.
He did?
He did, and I felt so proud.
That's amazing.
It is, because even though I didn't know the exact word,
You could still communicate.
exactly, that's the power of describing things.
It is. And you know what, Martin? That's what English learners need to understand.
What's that?
You don't need to know every single word.
No, you don't.
You just need to be creative. Describe things.
Yes, if you don't know napkin, say white paper for cleaning.
If you don't know remote control, say the thing for the TV.
Exactly. People will understand.
They will. Communication is the goal.
Not perfection, communication.
Yes. And actually, Martin, this brings me to another point.
What's that?
When you practice describing objects, you also learn to think in English,
Ooh, that's so true.
right? Because you're not translating anymore.
You're not. You're just looking at something and saying what you see.
Exactly. In English, directly.
That's huge.
It is huge because translation is slow.
So slow.
But if you can describe things directly in English, you're thinking in English.
And that's when you know you're improving.
That's when you know. Okay, Martin, let's do another one.
Another description?
Yes, but this time, let's describe something together.
Together? Okay. What should we describe?
How about a water bottle?
A water bottle. Perfect. Okay, it's plastic.
Or sometimes metal?
True, good point. It's tall.
It's cylindrical.
Cylindrical, fancy word.
I know, I'm showing off.
I love it. Okay, it has a cap.
A cap on top, you twist it to open.
Yes. And inside, there's water.
Obviously.
Obviously. But you know what? That was great.
It was. We just described a water bottle together.
In like 10 seconds.
10 seconds. And that's all it takes.
That's all it takes. And if you do this every day,
Every single day.
your English will improve so fast.
So fast, I promise.
We both promise.
We do. Okay, so let me ask our listeners something.
Go ahead.
What's one object you want to describe today?
Yes, tell us in the comments.
Just one object, your watch, your bag, your laptop,
Anything.
and try to use 3 describing words.
3 words. Color, size, material.
Exactly. We'll read the comments and reply.
We will. We love hearing from you.
We really do. Okay, Martin, I think we're almost at the end.
Already?
I know, time flies when we're talking.
It really does.
So let's wrap this up.
Let's do it. So everyone, today was day 10.
Day 10 of our 30-day challenge.
And today you learned how to describe daily objects.
The simple things around you, your phone, your cup, your keys.
And remember, practice this every day.
Just a few seconds, that's all you need.
A few seconds while you're making breakfast or getting dressed or walking
Just describe things in your head,
in English.
in English, and you'll be amazed at how fast you'll improve.
You will. We promise.
We do. So keep going. Don't stop now.
No, you're doing great. You really are. We're so proud of you.
So proud. And we'll see you tomorrow for day 11.
Day 11, we have something really fun planned.
We do. You're going to love it.
So make sure you subscribe
Hit that bell so you don't miss it.
and leave a comment. Tell us your favorite object.
We'll read every single one.
We will. Okay, Kate, I think that's it.
I think so too. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Thanks so much.
Keep practicing.
Keep improving.
And remember, English is not hard. It's just practice.
Just practice. We believe in you.
We do. Bye, everyone.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.